Good evening, masterminds. I apologize for not starting the vlog earlier in the day. I woke up late, did some laundry, went on my laptop, edited some videos, rendered them, uploaded them, you know the drill. Anyway, I'm gonna play some mood music for you and myself before I go reflect on life.
Bittersweet, my brain and my hand. It's like a throbbing zip of the mind. I can't take this feeling anymore. Drain the pressure from the swelling. The sensation's overwhelming. Give me a kiss goodnight and everything will be alright. Tell me that I won't feel a thing. Give me Novocaine. Out of body and out of mind. Kiss the demons out of my dreams. I get the funny feeling that's alright. Jimmy says it's better than here. I'll tell you why. Drain the pressure from the swelling. The sensation's overwhelming. Give me all of this goodnight and everything will be alright. Tell me that I won't feel a thing. So give me Novocaine. Oh, Novocaine. Pressure from the swelling. The sensation's overwhelming. Give me all of this goodnight and everything will be alright. Tell me, Jimmy, I won't feel a thing. So give me Novocaine. There's no more. Oh, damn it. I'll drink the little that's left. And then we will have. Where is it? Where is it? We will have these. I'm gonna have some Remy Martin fine champagne cognac. I think all the flavor's lost in the chocolate. Next, I'm going to be trying some Canadian Club whiskey. Barrel blended. The alcohol is slightly gel-like. A jelly. Bourbon. Tequila. Is that tequila? Yeah, that is tequila. Let's go drink the tequila first. My grandma would like that with the triple sec. What else do you need in a margarita? Jim Beam bourbon is next. Still lost in the chocolate. Next is some Grand Marnier. Still lost in the chocolate. Here's some Russian vodka. Duh. There's some orange flavor in there. It's coming through a little. I'm not gonna go hardcore on the alcohol tonight, so I'll just enjoy some red wine. Perfect. I haven't decided on what I want to talk about tonight during my slightly drunk reflection. I suppose I'll talk about the qualities I look for in people that I want in my life. There may be qualities I'm forgetting, but I'm looking for someone who's honest, someone who's responsible, someone who's intelligent, a free thinker, an open-minded person, someone who is independent, adventurous, passionate. Qualities like those are what foster trust. And trust is the foundation of all relationships. I need to be able to trust someone in any given situation. When I think of the special person from my past, I was never given the opportunity to branch out from our common interests. I was aware that what we did together wasn't always productive, wasn't always fun. I really wanted to do other things with the person, but that person just didn't put in the time and the effort to improve our relationship. That's what was so frustrating. I couldn't get inside the other person's mind and understand what was wrong, because I wanted to be there and help the person in any way I could. I made myself vulnerable. I took my side of the relationship further because at the time I understood that as the only thing I could do to have respect and love for this person. Because if the big, simple things are not working as they should, as fully as they should, going to the next level in my head, I could focus on the smaller details that the person seemingly cared about. In other words, I looked at the person from a romantic point of view, because that gave me so much more perspective and ideas to save our relationship. Because in a higher relationship than a friendship, you can, all the smaller details get paid attention to more. As you might guess, that didn't work out, and when that person left, it was hard on my part. It was painful on my part. My emotions were played with the entire time. Because in the beginning, in the middle, I let my actions speak louder than my words. I thought what I did in cultivating the interests we shared was enough.
I was producing results, yet the other person just wouldn't contribute. Like the simplest thing couldn't be done. And then I questioned, am I a bad friend? What I did wrong was blame myself for what the other person was doing. Rather not doing. Our relationship had an imbalance of the qualities I mentioned before. I was the honest one. I was the adventurous one. I was the responsible one. I was the passionate one. More so than the other person. I'm not saying the other person didn't have those qualities, it's just not where it should have been. Not at the level it should have been at. I thought I tried making it easy for the person to be able to open up. I don't know what went wrong. You give the person enough space, alright, nothing happens, so you think to yourself, you give them more space, but they'll just escape. They won't care. If you don't give them enough space, then you risk hurting the other person and hurting yourself, because you harm something so delicate. Just think of the picture of a butterfly and about to be cut by a scissor, but the handle, the two handles, those are the two people in the relationship. You get too close, you snip the butterfly, you leave it open, the butterfly of your relationship, whether it be a friendship or something much greater, gets away. I got close enough, but that wasn't working. So I cut a little deeper. And I'm sure that tarnished the qualities I want to live up to, the ones I want the other person to live up to. I'm sure you can tell that I expect my relationships to progress where they need to be and be maintained at that level. I cannot fully accept that I push people away, because my intentions are focused on the pure necessities of a healthy relationship. I don't understand why that's not attractive to other people, who I am and what I stand for. Sometimes I boil it down to them not being able to know, understand, have the qualities, the preferences, the wants, desires, etc., that I have. I don't know. Just what the fuck is so unattractive about me? Help me understand that before I move on to criticizing other people and their poor upkeep and maintaining relationships. I don't understand. Is everyone around me like a fucking simpleton?
like the direction I want to go in, and what I can provide, what I can help the other person achieve. I'm a long-term investment. A good one. I seriously think I'm ahead of my time, ahead of my environment, because the people I know, a majority, just doesn't appreciate life like I do. I want to enlighten so many people. My capacity to make others happy is also a capacity to make myself unhappy. So I need friends. I need a partner. A significant other. to make life better. At this point in my life, I can say I'm ready for it. Before, and all those other encounters, I wasn't. That's why I probably didn't make a move. Or the right ones, at least. Feel free to teach me some dating tricks, because I don't know what's so unattractive about me. Help me understand. I think that's all I have tonight, masterminds. Feel free to chime in the comments down below what you think about what you understand, and make me happy that way. So thank you for watching. I will catch you in the next vlog. Remember, be smart for your heart.